Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in business sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.04 and momentum at plus 0.11. This is above the historical baseline, suggesting a shift in how businesses feel about current conditions. You'll receive insightful data points that reflect nuanced semantic clusters related to business trends, helping you understand the underlying sentiment in your sector. For instance, if you're working on a predictive model for investment decisions, this data can inform your risk assessments and strategy adjustments. Want to dive deeper into this sentiment analysis? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.